Hello guys, this is a general video where I have a screen of 10th generation Dell laptop. Some people face issue removing this screen because it has a glue behind, okay, as well as there is a glue on the bezel. So it's normal video if you are not a technical guy as well, and for those who wanted to change the screen by themselves, or you wanted to know what is the size and all details of the screen, you'll come to know in this video. It's a very small video and it's very helpful for some people. Okay, so stay tuned till the end, watch it. So guys, here is the screen. This laptop has came for the replacement of the screen because there is a issue. So same time I am going to show you how you can remove it. So you need a sharp object like this. It's an opener, either like this or anything which is made up of plastic. Do not use metal, you may break down. So I already pulled once, but to show you guys I am re-demonstrating. You need to apply here like this, and slowly you have to pull it, you have to push it inside, okay, like this. Keep doing it. There is a glue which is attached to the plastic above. It should not come along with the tape. So same thing you repeat here, this side. Slowly I'm making it little bit. Keep doing it. So like this it will come out, and then come the main part. Okay, there is no screws on the side, but you cannot remove it with this because there is a glue behind. If you try to remove it, it will break down. Okay, so here is the main thing which we need to know. That is, the company has given you something like this. You see this, there is a ribbon here, and this is the thing you need to understand. What we need to do is just pull this ribbon straight, and all the glue and all the rubber with the glue will come out steadily. It's a big one, it's a bit lengthy. Just keep pulling it, and you see it has came out, and this part is free now. Okay, the same way you have to do it the other side. If you do not pull it, you may break the screen. Okay guys, now your screen is free to be released. Like this you can remove, and now you can disconnect it. And how to fix it back? To fix it back you need a double tape like this. Either this is the thick one, we can make it half, and then we can stick it here and this side, or else if you have the same size you can attach it. So in this video that's all guys. Hope you learned something from this video. Subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.